everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Telegram's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Telegram's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Telegram application on your device. The official page of Telegram will be displayed on the screen. Tap on Start Messaging option at the bottom of the page. From the pop-up, click on Continue. Allow Telegram to make and manage your phone calls by tapping on Allow. Enter your country and your number, then tap on arrow icon. You will receive a Telegram login codes through email. Enter an email address to which you have an access. You can sign into your Telegram's account using your Google account as well. Here I'm going to go with Google. Choose a Google account and tap on it. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address, or else you will receive a call delivering a 6-digit code. On the next page, enter your first and last name and click on an arrow icon. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign up for your Telegram's account in no time. This is how you can log into your Telegram's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.